Akakiiko akari kucondoza hamwe na n'okureebuza enkozesa ya sente ahabwa district ya Mbarara erizooba kakwata kandi katwara DC David Muhwezi okuza aha polisi okukora statement bwanyuma y'okumubuuza akaswi n'akahindu nk'oku amataka ga district aga Kamukuzi oku bagagabiire ebitongore agandi bakagaguza omu muringo gutari kwetegerezibwa. Akakiiko kabuuza DC wa Mbarara district okushoborra nk'oku amatendekero agarimu Uganda Management Institute KIU na n'ebitongore nka Ministry of Internal Affairs, Solicitor General, PPDA hamwe na Police Barracks na n'ebindi byatunzire byapa by'amataka ago barimu nibakozesa nuko kutandika kugamba embushukane.
No, some people contributed, others didn't, but we had to do the job.
Where has he gone?
So in other words, that is Mbarara subdividing its own land. But according to people who have settled there,
can't she whose special area is?
That is a different matter now. When I came to office, all the titles had disappeared. So we made these ones later. These are special titles.
Specialist. The Auditor General, who is supposed to be auditing these things, has already built without the land title. And actually, I think he built even before he paid, we call it what?
Premium.
Premium. And this is the Auditor General. I don't know what he's auditing. PPDA, which is a regulating body.
For procurement.
For procurement, follow the procedures. They did not follow the procedures themselves.
Albert Kamugisha, chairman w'akakiiko ka Paaka, nagira ngu IGG akabanza kuhandikira akawungu ayemereza okubaganisa itaka rya Kamukuzi yarema nuko kurabira omu mahanda y'ekishububu akahayita keru kurenga omu acres 20 ezirimu acres 8 eribahiire KIU okwombeka hirwariro rya kansa hamwe n'emitima.
Actually, to handing over to police to go and give a statement. This is a lot of corruption which has been here in Mbarara. Corruption irengira amataka gonna bagagabire umuryo ubutashikiri. So twajya ngo amataka go bagabire nago ba transferingire gonna bagashazimo. Ago bataka gabire babo following procedures bagabire abakuzagazamo. For example, PPDA yayombekere eriyo mu kizimbe ko kate ina location tene cyapa. Auditor General ariyo mu kizimbe tayine cyapa kandi tayine na location.
Kamugisha nabwe yaragira ngo DC atagaruka mu office mpaka herezo kucondozibwaho.
Agambira police they should go abo procurement chairman wa procurement contracts committee yatoroka mu rukiko should also report to police and give a statement. The senior officer wa procurement should also na where yajangu yazo workshop kandi we wrote to them, he didn't appear, twajangu reporting ja police to give a statement. After getting these references, we are taking matters up.
Nagira ngo bushoma nkuzo buryo mu district ya Mbarara burengeserize kandi ngunaza kuhandikira office ya mukuru w'ihanga ya anti-corruption unity okonzera kubahwera.
Amataka ni mingi. For example, hari itaka rya PPDA, hari itaka rya Auditor General, hari itaka rya IGG, hari itaka rya police, KIU, Kampala International University, Arho mega whatever industries or mega industries or mega whatever company, area harka cheka, Arho Solicitor General, so agamataka gona gariyo mess.
DC Didas Muhwezi owakwatwa yatwarwa hasitebe kikuru cha polisi ya Mbarara okukora statement dero kucondoza kukatandika. Ahabwa TV West ndi Elias Rutuguse.